So after doing the oblique groove for the extensor tendons, 4 grooves, one. So we can see that there is 1 groove, 2 groove, 3 groove, or there are the 4. Okay, so this is the laser, and when we say that this is the this and when we are in anatomic position, there will be in this like hand, and the radius is in this way, in the posterior it is here, and it is what it is from medially or laterally. It is a notch. After the notch it will be lie just beside there is a lateral surface is prolonged downward to form the styloid. But the lateral surface is prolonged. Yes, the lateral surface is prolonged, and the lateral surface is prolonged, and it make what the styloid process. Greek means there is a pillar, like for the meaning for styloid is a pillar. So the common terms we have to be know. So we will be easy in the learning. Inferior surface be a triangular area for the scaphoid one. Yes, not to be confused between the scapula and the scaphoid. Scaphoid is a bone and the medial quadrangular area for the lunate bone, and there are also other bones just as below the radius and ulna there are the metacarpals or carpals and phalanges. So scaphoid bone and medial medial. In the medial portion of the hand there is a medial quadrangular area for lunate bone, and the surfaces take part in forming the wrist joint. Okay. So attachments are what? So attachments, first attachment is the quadrate ligament is attached to the middle part of the neck. Yes, neck. Middle part of the quadrate ligament. Bicep brachii is inserted into the rough bicep brachii inserted into the rough posterior. Bicep brachii is inserted into the rough posterior part of the radial tuberosity. So bicep brachii is just like that. Interior part of the radial tuberosity is covered by a bursa. Bursa is a synovial fluid cavity in which there is a fluid for the act as a cousin, and the oblique cord is attached on the medial side just below the radial tuberosity. There is oblique cord is attached to the medial side just below the radial tuberosity. So we have to be know what words we study. So we have not to be studying the next again and again. So there is oblique cord, there is a flexor